Well, on this patriotic weekend, one of the ways we can honor our heroes is by helping veterans transition to civilian life. So this morning, we have some companies giving back with employment opportunities. Joining me now is Bill Joyce. She's the founder and CEO of Hiring America and Military Made. So, Bill, tell me what the company does.
Well, first, I want to take a moment to honor those, or to remember those who have made the ultimate sacrifice for our freedom and liberty, and Gold Star families. Yes. And we produce Hiring America, which is a weekly 30-minute TV show that helps military veterans make a transition into meaningful careers. Okay. We work with a lot of great key partners like USAA, DAV, Wells Fargo, and National University. And while we've been doing this, we saw a lot of the power of veteran entrepreneurship. So we created Military Made, which is a website where people can buy products exclusively from veteran.
That's a great idea. You want to support veterans, you just go right to the website and find out if there's products that you're interested in that are made by veterans.
Exactly. All these products you can find on militarymade.com. This is part of our, bourbon, bacon, and freedom box in a partnership we did with Grunt Style. And
love these hats.
Awesome American flag hats, oven mitts, rollers, great yard games. So there's tons of things that we found that veterans are producing for outdoor activities, from grilling to games, to seasoning, sauces, etc.
It's a one-stop shop, so that's great stuff. Thank you, Bill.
Thank you very much. And if people want to go, they can go to militarymade.com and
militarymade.com.
And if they enter in Fox 10, they can get 10% off for the weekend.